Welcome back to the MyDan Computer Training channel. Have you ever seen a video where someone walks into one version of themselves, or where two different scenes are blended into one? That's called masking. Today, I'll show you how to use CapCut's mask tool to create creative cutouts and effects that will make your edits stand out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share so you won't miss the rest of this advanced editing series. Now, let's learn about masking. First, what is masking? Masking is the process of hiding or revealing parts of your video using shapes or custom cutouts. It lets you combine clips in a fun way. Next, we need to add an overlay. To use masking, add your second video as an overlay above the first. This gives you two layers to work with. Now, let's choose a mask shape. Go to Mask and choose a shape. For example, a circle for spotlight effects, or a split for side-by-side storytelling. You can also use freehand mode to draw your own custom mask. Next, adjust and rotate the mask. You can resize, stretch, and rotate the mask to fit your clip perfectly. This is where you can get creative, diagonal splits, tilted reveals, and more. Now let's feather it. Use the feather tool to soften the edges. Instead of harsh lines, feathering blends both clips together naturally. Now let's have some fun. Here are a few creative ways to use masks. Make a clone effect where you appear twice in the same scene. Try a double exposure by combining two clips with opacity and a mask. Use masks as transitions by sliding across to reveal the next scene. And that's how you master masking in CapCut. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. And let me know in the comments, which masking effect are you going to try first? In the next episode, we'll dive into speed ramping, smooth motion control to make your videos cinematic and stylish. Thanks for watching. See you next time.